out of that clutch.
As here we go. Picks her up. Look at that power bomb. She isn't done.
She picked the back. She already broke the girl in half.
Good night.
Njpw. She's got Sue in the gotch Piledriver.
Yeah, Josh, that she calls
Off the skull of Rob Van Dam. Van Dam's down, and Sami Callihan says bye-bye to Katie Forbes. Uh-oh. Thumbs up, thumbs down, and there's...
Here with a star caliber Hendricks. And now, whoa, counters the head scissors into the kiss goodnight. 2, and that's 3. We'll send it to Scarlett Bordeaux for your winner.
your winner. I think this crowd is going to agree that it's pretty legal.
And now maybe looking for a Tombstone Piledriver.
Oh!
Getting in a position the referee
Get herself a win from it. Uh-oh, is that a capsule Piledriver? Yes.